To prepare this delicious sandwich-style chicken salami, you'll need the following ingredients: 1 kilogram of chicken breast, 20 grams of salt, 5 grams of sugar to balance the flavors, 1.5 teaspoons of ground black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 100 milliliters of cold water or beetroot juice for a more vibrant color, 2 teaspoons of powdered gelatin to bind everything together, 50 milliliters of melted butter for richness, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. Preparation process: blending the ingredients. Start by placing the chicken meat in a blender. Add the salt, sugar, black pepper, garlic powder, nutmeg, and turmeric. Blend everything together until the mixture begins to come together. Slowly add the cold water, blending continuously to create a smooth and creamy consistency. If you want a more visually appealing salami with a color closer to store-bought versions, you can replace half of the cold water with beetroot juice. This will give your salami a rich, pinkish hue. Preparing the gelatin. In a small bowl, dissolve the powdered gelatin into tablespoons of water. Allow it to sit for a minute or two, then gently heat it until fully dissolved. Add this dissolved gelatin to the chicken mixture along with the melted butter, and blend again until the mixture is completely smooth. Shaping the mixture. Lay out a sheet of plastic wrap on a clean surface. Spoon the chicken mixture onto the wrap, shaping it into a log or cylindrical form. Roll it tightly in the plastic wrap, smoothing out any air bubbles. Twist the ends firmly to secure the shape. If necessary, use additional layers of plastic wrap to ensure it's well sealed. Cooking the salami. Prepare a steam bath and carefully place the wrapped chicken cylinder into the boiling water on low heat. Cover the pot with a lid to trap the steam and cook for around 45 minutes, checking for doneness. After cooking, check the salami. It should feel firm to the touch. If you have a kitchen thermometer, the internal temperature should reach at least 75 C167F. Cooling and serving. Once cooked, remove the salami from the steam bath and let it cool to room temperature. For best results, refrigerate it for a few hours to allow the flavors to meld and the texture to set. When ready to serve, slice the salami thinly and use it as a delicious filling for sandwiches, wraps, or platters. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe.